ago. I think I had played this before. I'm pretty sure I did. So I just was looking for something small. Looking back on it now, especially I think this is the 5 minute chart right here. I see it as like a play that I probably wouldn't play, right? But nothing else was really popping. The day it didn't look too good. But it was a lot of noise, so I knew something it was gonna settle out. I didn't have in full size, you know what I mean? Took some small losses, but got way out way before it dipped down here. If you see right where I'm at, I feel like I stopped out way before that. I looked at Hoth right here. This is another former runner. I played this before. Now, I didn't play this today. My whole plan with this was, you see that right there, that resistance? I can't see where the number was, but it was just a resistance up there. So right there, right? I'm not looking for this to break. I don't like how it looks. It's ugly. If anything, I'd be looking for just a quick boom, maybe up near VWAP. It ended up going to VWAP too, or near there, but I didn't play this at all. No trades on it. This was going up. If you scroll back, you see right there, pre-market, that was the day before. I saw this and I did think about playing it, but this stock always just moves weird. Like, it doesn't give me any type of action like how I like, you know what I mean? It doesn't just dip, go straight up, parabolic. It just does this stuff, Now, this second day, which was today, that would have been my best bet. I didn't take it at all, though. Kala, I looked at that. I didn't take any trades on it, but it did rip. No news, no nothing. And NRSN, I had saw this previously. As you see, it broke out all week, or the past trading days. Me personally, I thought it was going to go, but I didn't take any trades on it because it was just too high up, I guess, as the market came in. Let's see. Yep, and then it dropped pre-market. Yeah, I did see that. I think I saw that drop live. So when it does that, do I really think it's going to rip? Nah, not at all. It's over. Party's over. Look at that. Party's over up there. Look at that. Look at those top signals right there, which some of you guys play these still. I can't. I don't even know where the stock's at today. Probably back to 30 cents, Who knows? Not a play for me. Today was just overall a day where before I would have lost 2,000 or I would have lost 1,800 or something that's way too much because I would have just tried. Now I'm going back here looking at NRS, and this is a day I would have played it. Right, probably right there on that dip. That's what I'm saying right there. I'm actually like recording over this, but I remember looking at this and just thinking, how did I miss this? And it's been up all these days. That's what I saw that last afternoon. And then I saw that this morning, that big candle right there, and just straight down. No. Can't touch that stock. No. Some people play dips off these, or super dips, whatever you want to call them. Not for me. CMND, split. It had pumped right there. If you go right there, that day would have been a maybe for me, but probably not, honestly. And then today, I'm looking at that, like right there. Look at that resistance. Look at that. How can I buy this over that? How? It's like, it's showing you that that's where it's done. To me, I can break this down and say many other things around that, but that's the reality of that. You know what I mean? Like, this is something that I wasn't taught in the beginning, but I always question why. Because if not, a lot of things look like they can be a straight up, oh, this is a breakout. Oh, this is a pattern or X pattern, whatever. But if you're not looking before at those prior resistances, what if it's just a good short? Like, to me, that's a great short in there, right? Just like it was on the previous day when it ran up parabolic, comes down, double tops, and then flushes down. How wouldn't that be a short again? Right? Would I short it? No, but if I was a short seller, I wouldn't think that's a long. You know what I mean? I wouldn't. But I guess what I'm basically saying, just because a stock's quote unquote in play, just because it has volume, news, a catalyst, if those prior resistances stick out and they're not right, do not play the stock or you're going to lose. You're either going to lose or you're going to have to take a quick buy, sell, which to me, why would you do that when if you would have played it the first day where that resistance was created, you would have had a way more opportunity to take more percentage gains of the move. WNW, this was, I believe, getting delisted or had news to get delisted if it wasn't over 10 or they didn't put a filing in, something like that. I saw this and I did see it as it could probably hold 10 and I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I guess I was maybe thinking it could go to like what? What is that? The twos? I don't know. Yeah, I think it was 10. I'm just trying to look. It's hard for me to edit these videos. I'm just really winging it over a voice record, like I said. CHSN, this was just pumping and pumping. And I saw this, the day before. CNET, I guess I had news. I was moving that to watch the next day or something when I'm recording this. Didn't get nothing good off of that. Low volume, choppy, ugly play. One thing to note, very important. So I noticed within this market, it reminds me of when I really, really, really started watching the market go crazy parabolic. Like, what was that? I want to say 2021. I could be wrong, because I was still studying. I was doing Tim Sykes boot camps, other courses, self-teaching through YouTube. And I remember just seeing some stocks some days go, pull back, and just go all day, it would feel like. Now, it's a little different. It feels different watching it. Even the market movement just is a lot more controlled for me now. But, I mean, I just remember just seeing certain stocks, at least 3 days a week just go crazy. Then it'd be a ghost town, right? And what I started doing after the ghost town was I started to just look for, could this go? Could this go? It could be high market cap, low market cap, Tesla, whatever. Because what I started realizing was the patterns are the patterns. Which, do I still believe slightly? Definitely, to be honest. But just because they're patterns don't mean they're going to work. That's it's a double-edged sword. But I clicked over back to this. This is a win I had on VS. This is a day where I made a trade where I never trade like this except Fridays, right? I have my reasons for that. But as you see, I bought, this is the 5-minute chart, but on the 1-minute chart, these are actually red candles where I was buying, I believe. Got in, saw the spike, started letting it go, got out right at the top pretty much, top high enough for me. That next 5-minute candle showed me that I don't even need to go anywhere near this stock again today. Right? So that's important. If you guys can't see the top of these stocks, I'm here to tell you, you're going to lose. How do I know? Because I played these stocks before. Over and 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 over. Bought them over and over and over. So many losses, so many wins. But That's a big, big thing. If you cannot identify the top, you're going to lose. You know why? Because you're going to think they're dips when they're just going to get dumped on. All right, yeah, I'll see you guys. Follow me on Twitter, NLockTrades1, NLockTrades1. I'm going to try to put some stuff out, videos. I'm looking to, just get up with people, see their ideas. I mainly go long. Cryptos I'm in, stocks I'm in, real estate. Let's go.